Welcome guys, welcome back to the common accounting terms, all the business. Now we are going to see the loss. So what is the loss? Loss is the excess of expense. Excess of expense means if we are going to sell the goods or we are given the service to the customer, even though we are getting income from the third party, like because of the goods and service generating the income, but that income comparing to the expense is very high. That means company is loss, correct? This, even whenever this expense is high, our income is less, that means this is a loss. For example, the continuously it will come same thing, like expense is high, business income is loss. Sure, we have to shut down the company. Otherwise, why? What is the point of we are running the company? We are getting the profit, correct? We are getting the income. We are getting the profit. For example, this expense is more, like our generated the income is less. That means the loss. So no need to run the company. We have to close the company. So the main thing, loss. We have to avoid the loss. Thank you guys. We will go for the another one.